Create attractive design for Amazon images using just free Canva. Click link in description to download ready template. So let's open Canva and click Create a Design button. In the left menu bar, choose Custom Size. Here set up dimensions for Amazon listing images and click Create a Design button. Now when you have canvas, drag and drop your product photo. Click on the photo to select it and drag it to the left bottom corner. The next step is adding a lifestyle photo, and the best website for quality lifestyle photos is Freepik. The best way to create account, but you still can download 3 images without registration for free. Choosing lifestyle photo, be sure to showcase your target audience, the people who potentially can buy your product. Searching of perfect lifestyle photo may take some time, but the result will totally worth it. So take time to search and download the best photo on your opinion. Drag and drop downloaded lifestyle photo. You can follow the screen or place it the way that works the best for you. Always click on the photo to select it and drag by the borders to enlarge it, decrease its size. But, oh no! Now lifestyle photo completely covers the product. To fix it, click on the photo and from the top menu bar choose position. Here click backward button and lifestyle photo will appear behind the product photo, but it looks dull. To fix it, click on the lifestyle photo and choose edit from top menu bar. Here click adjust and play with different sliders to make lifestyle photo bright and catchy. Once this step is done, let's cover the white gap at the bottom on the image. For this, from left menu bar, choose elements. Click a square shape and drag it on the image. Click on the shape and place it from the bottom left corner. Click on borders to stretch the shape to another side of the image. To change the color of the shape, click on it to select it. Then click on the colored circle on the top menu bar. Here click on the circle with plus. Take a pipette tool and click on the color on your product that you would like to use for the shape. So shape appear behind the product, click on the shape to select it. Click on position from top menu bar and choose backward. Want to have attractive Amazon listing? Just visit our website myspacestudio.com to find services that will improve your Amazon content and increase sales. From Amazon listing design to Amazon storefront development, your content will leave no chance for competitors. Check all links in the description, and let's come back to Canva. Every Amazon image has to have informative text to share information about the product. To add text, from left menu bar choose text. Here select add a heading to add a title on the image. Drag by the border to decrease the text size and click on it to place it correctly. To change its color, with selected text, click on a letter on the top menu bar and choose color that you like. Double click on the text to select it and type needed title. Next, add a subheading on the image, following the same steps. Don't worry if work with the text take you a lot of time. To focus on the key information about the product and place all text elements correctly on the image may take you a lot of time, especially if you don't do this daily. So try to relax and play with the amount of text and place where it is located. To save your time, be sure to download the final template of this and for another images via link in description. To add catchy elements on the image, click on elements from left menu bar. Choose the shape you like and drag it on the image. Drag and drop the shape on the corner of the product. To change the shape color, select the shape and click on top menu bar on colored circle. You can use a plus icon or choose the colors from the menu. Double click on the shape to add the text inside the shape. You can change the font, color, and size of the shape just like before. To add a border to the shape, use icon of 3 lines from the top menu bar. The Elements section is rich on catchy and attractive infographic elements that add uniqueness to the final image. Use search bar to find any element that may work great with your brand and final designed image. Remember that most of elements are adjustable by colors, so be sure to use colors that follow the design style and your brand. And if you enjoyed this Canva tutorial and want to design image for your Amazon listing, be sure to watch other videos on the channel, or visit myspacestudio.com to get a professional Amazon graphic design service for your goals.